Follow these easy steps. Step 1. Ensure that surfaces and holes are clean, dry, and free from dust and loose material. Step 2. Mix Handymate Multi-purpose Filler to a smooth consistency before use. If using the tube, knead the tube gently for 30 seconds in preparation. Step 3. Apply in layers, up to 10 mm per coat, allowing each layer to dry before overcoating. Step 4. Apply final layer, slightly proud of surrounding surface, and sand smooth when dry. It's easy to use and works perfectly on both interior and exterior cracks, up to 10 mm deep. Terraco Handymate brings fun to DIY.